NOC copy has been accessed by India Today, and it suggests that the basement was actually to be used for storage. The Delhi Fire Services chief says that this is a clear violation and that we'll have to write to DCP and MCD to initiate action. The NOC was given for basement for storage purpose only, and they violated and filled the students for library. That's the latest breaking news that we have. India Today has accessed the NOC copy, and the NOC copy says that the basement was in fact supposed to be used for storage purposes only. The DFS chief has said that this is a clear violation and that they'll have to write to the DCP and MCD to initiate action. The coaching centre instead chose to fill in the coaching centre with students and use the basement as a library instead of a storage. Shreya Chachari remains live with us on the story. Shreya, we've just learnt that the NOC copy says that the storage, the basement, in fact, which was used as a library in the coaching centre, was in fact supposed to be used as only as a storage. What more can you tell us?
Well, absolutely, Chetna. I'll ask my cameraman to just pan you and show the Coaching Institute one. Now you can see this is the entrance which is on the ground. Now, just below there are two basements. One is the slit basement, which was supposed to be used for the parking facility, and the basement below was to be used only for the storage purpose of the coaching center. Now, that's precisely on the grounds of which they got the MCD permit and also the NOC. So this is a clear violation on the part of the coaching center, despite having an NOC for the basement only and strictly for storage purpose. They had clearly violated the norms on the ground. They went ahead and ran commercial activities. So clearly, for which they were, they should ideally have just stored non-living, things for their own purpose. They literally stuffed the basement with students, used it as a library for their commercial purpose. This was a violation that's been happening for long and long. But the question also lies on the local authorities. It is absolutely difficult to believe that the local authorities, be it the MCD, they were not aware of the fact that the library was running from the basement. The reason I say so, because if you walk into the old Rajinder Nagar, if you walk into Karol Bagh, it is a known thing that libraries run out of basements. Even PGs have accommodations in basements. These are clear violations so far as the building norms are concerned. Despite so, how do these people continue to run such things discreetly is the bigger question that needs to be answered by the local authorities, and that's precisely why you see Delhi police registering a case in the matter. We are also being told that there are 2 arrests that's also been made in this particular case, and the actions that have been initiated are under strict sections as well. So heads need to roll so far as the authorities are concerned. Yes, we have a clear copy which suggests that the NOC was only given for storage purpose, but if it was being used for library for so long, why didn't the local authorities pay heed to such things?
Absolutely. Sneha, Shreya, you said that the MCD wasn't aware that the library was in fact being used, the storage was being used as a library. But then who is to blame? If the MCD didn't know, who is to blame? Because the AAP government has been claiming that the centre hasn't been giving them enough funds. So, do tell us.
Well, this is something which is a very difficult thing. Like you say, if you suggest that the MCD was not known to the fact that the library was running from the basement, it's a difficult thing to believe, because you can just see the IS Centre, which is running on one of the main roads of Old Rajinder Nagar. It is not a centre which is inside the lanes. It's something which is running in the open eye. If it is to be believed that local authorities did not know that the library was running from the basement, it is a very difficult thing to say. So clearly, the local authorities cannot run away from their responsibility. Yes, on paper, the institute did not have an NOC or a permit to run a library from the basement. It was strictly from storage purpose. But responsibility for safety checks, for security checks also lie on authorities, because we are talking about the lives of several students. And now it really, points out to the fact that where, does the role of the authorities come into play? It is only a lip service, or will we see more heads rolling on the ground? That's something that we'll have to wait and watch for. But simultaneously, because a criminal case has also now begun in the case, important to tell our viewers once again that 2 arrests have already been made in this particular matter.